Feels like an update. Oh, a new game mode. I should play that. I should play that later. Oh, what? No, Hunt's leaving. Huh. That's already been. Ooh, why is there a shark here? Oh, hi, Froggy boy. How did you get here?
You do not ask. There's a flooding case.
There is? There's a flooding case? What?
Oh yeah, I forgot those are
Well, why? The crystal's purple now. That looks cool. And, from what I've been told, guys, he said, Froggy Boy told me that he's naming the shark Mark the Shark. Bro, guys. Okay, by the way, guys, we will be checking out that game mode later, but I'm also, just to tell you, if you hear my voice being a little, like, because I'm sick, Matt the Bat! I got Matt the Bat! Froggy boy!
Yeah, I'm riding my sharky.
I got Matt the Bat!
Wait, come over to the... Oh wait, okay, he's coming to the main entrance. Grab onto him too. Okay, grab onto him.
No! He's too fast! Matt the Bat!
We're on the feet of Matt the Bat.
Yo, I'm on! Bro, he just flung me!
What? I don't think he would.
Ah!
Yes, colliders. Wait, corner him. He's gonna come back this way. He's gonna come back this way. Let's just corner him. He's gonna come back this end. He's gonna come back here, so I'm just gonna corner him.
I see him! He's coming from that way.
Where is he? Oh my. I got Matt. Oh, I saw him. He's coming. I have Matt.
He's right there. It's Mark the Shark! No!
I want to feed him. Like,
Are you trying to feed him Mark the Shark?
Yeah.
Matt the Bat?
Yeah. Oh, yes, no. Oh, that was up there.
Well,
I'm not.
hey, this looks really cool and all. Froggy boy, I also saw a new thing on the game modes. Do you want to test that out? Ooh, spooky. No. Sorry guys about that. Sorry, I'm sick. Yeah, water kind of overflowed. It's not.
Yeah, get him. Get that boy.
He just left. Oh, Froggy boy.
Yeah.
When I was in Stomp, I also saw that was a new game mode. You want to go test that out? You know, Stomp saw that there's a new game mode. Come on, let's go. Let's go in.
Okay, put it on.
I'm done. What are you doing? I want to do it.
Oh.
No, this is cool, guys. I'm gonna check it out. Oh no, Lego's locked off. I was over. Oh, I'm gonna go check me out in a mirror.
You're invisible. Your cosmetics are just full.
What'd you say?
Cosmetics are just flying.
Do you see my face?
Cosmetics? No, I don't. All I see just. Ew, I can see your. I am. You see me?
Yes.
How can you see me?
I see your cosmetics. You can.
Oh, okay. So you see my head.
Well, that means you have to tag me then, though.
Hey. Getting me. Okay, you can't see me.
Oh, I have to run.
I could be anywhere.
Nope. I can use my sense of hearing.
Careful.
I hear it.
I'm gonna say that I'm on.
Wait, you should tag me.
Tag you. Oh my god, dude. Stay wait.
I don't even know where you went. Well, okay, guys. I'm invisible. Looks cool. I'm gonna go check me out in mirror. Just a very white gorilla. I wish I had a cameraman and I could just go ever. I know. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna cut my cosmetics back later. Ooh, that's gonna be like a ghosting for level 2.
I don't think they gave us the ghost update. They do. Where are you?
Look what I have.
Oh my god, I can see your glider. I just see your glider. Stay away. You're just a floating glider. You're creepy. You're creepy. Oh my gosh.
Remember, you can't see me.
I can see your footsteps. They made it so you can see people's footsteps. No.
Is this like infection, but like ghostified? Bro, I hit.
I see your footsteps.
I'm just on the trampoline.
That's scary.
How is that scary?
Wait. You are scary.
Bro, Doug! There's Doug! It's Doug the bug.
I can see them footsteps.
Where am I?
You're on right here. You're right next to me.
I'm not right even next to you. I'm on top of the bridge.
Yeah, I think, yeah, it's not joking. Serious. Go. Go play.
Mr. Controller? I hit my controller on the corner of the bed.
You never find me.
Well, guys. Oh, my color's black. Well, I think that's where we should leave it for today's video, guys. Except we gotta go see Mark the Shark before we end.
Imagine everybody watching it is like, what are you talking about? They probably all just like,
The first video I did ever do was probably on my main channel, Peek of the Puppy. But
the first video they ever posted with me in it was the scary video. Okay, so what are we doing? I can see your footsteps. You can barely see it. I'm putting in the crystal. Where's that crystal?
where's Mark? Mark!
Okay. I'm gonna get him. I get that shark. Oh! I'm gonna get that shark.
Is he on left or right?
I don't know. He's going past the... He's on...
Mark! Mark! No!
I see him. Okay, he's heading over to the main area. Get ready to come there. He's coming to the main area. Just get ready. I think. Never mind. I don't think he is. He might. Oh, I got him! I got him! Oh,
No!
He's in the main area. Come get him. Me and him are just vibing. Oh my god! Are you on? Are you on? Yeah, we're on. I'm in too. You can't see.
Well, Mark the Shark, he's so cute. Aren't you, Mark?
I'm running away. Oh. No! I got stuck! No, Mark, come here. I'm swimming to him. We should probably wear a cosmetic so we know. We're right there.
No! Mark!
Boy, got tired.
I lost Mark. I lost a little birdie. Well, guys, Froggy Boy,
Yeah.
Where'd you go? Come over. You don't see me. I forgot.
I was at the surface.
Go into the shark.
I'm from the surface.
Go to the shark.
Grab
Oh,
onto
Mark! There's Mark. No! Dang it. Go to the shark that's in the shark that looks like the entrance of caves. But it is not.
Oh, okay, I see this short. I'm coming. Yeah. Turn the left. No.
I see you. Well. Matt's in the water! I got Matt! Woo!
Okay,
Look,
I'm on
I got Matt! I'm on Matt.
Don't worry, he's like... I'm just swimming. Hey! No, I keep hitting my head there. I'm stuck.
No!
Wait.
Mark!
Let's put on cosmetics so we know where we are.
Well, I think we should go to the surface world.
Yeah. Oh. Come up. Come up this. I'm up. Where are you? Matt. No, it's okay. Have Matt. Goodbye, Matt.
Are you following me?
I'm gonna go to,
Wait, don't go to Stump. I like parkouring here. Mark! Goodbye, Mark. About that again, guys. I'm just sick. Froggy boy? I can see your frog in Lollipop.
my frogs are chasing me. I don't know.
Isn't this kind of OP? Because the only thing they can see is just your footsteps.
Yeah, I guess let me add that because so you can still notify. Oh wait, I'm gonna turn you. Wait, get your lion. I want to see what that looks like. Get your lion. Let me take off my pocket. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so weird. Ew.
How?
So. Look at that. All I see is just your lion floating. Ew. Hey, get away. Get away, buddy. Hey.
Why you want to
He's
kiss?
weird.
Why you want to
Wait,
kiss?
Monkey
Oh.
plush wants to kiss. Monkey plush. They tagged me.
You have to try and get
Tag me.
you have to try and get tagged by me.
Stop it, you have a jump boost.
Whenever I tag you, the video ends.
They tagged me. I want you to see my monkey plush floating.
No. Where'd you go?
They do not want to see.
Nope.
No. Come here. I hate your lion. You stupid. You're not stupid. I mean, the queen is more beautiful than your stupid lion. Where are you? Wait, no. Douglas wants to kiss.
What is
I
that?
think I can't see him.
What?
Douglas wants to kiss. Douglas wants to kiss. Tell me what map you're in.
I'm in caves.
No, you aren't. Where are you?
Froggy boy, can I tell you something? Froggy boy,
Yeah.
I'm not in canyons. I'm in caves.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in caves.
Oh, why do you have to be in cave?
I see you.
That kid right now. How dare you?
What?
You lied to me. Your voice was down there and it was up there. Where are you? I only have 3 minutes left.
Okay.
I can play for 2 minutes.
Where you at? I'm walking everywhere. Where are you?
Where are you? Wait, is your... Hey, you unequipped it, you're lying. I equipped it.
Uh-huh. Ha ha ha!
That's what you're lying.
Nope.
I can't walk in with my arm. I'm not joking, they actually like hurt her. Oh.
Where'd you go? Where do you keep going? Hello. Ha 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 ha.
Where are you?
What'd you say?
Time is gonna go off any second.
I thought you said 3 minutes.
No, but now it... Who knows how long it's...
I'm right in front of you.
I know, like... It's longer.
Okay, guys. We gotta grab Doug real fast. Come on, Doug.
This hurts bad. Loading monkey
Okay.
flesh.
Goodbye.